Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. If we are new to each other, my name is Jamie, and I first want to thank you for even clicking on this video. I know there's already a lot of AirTag content already out there, so thank you so much for clicking on this one. I just wanted to do a very quick unboxing of the AirTags. I actually unboxed my plain ones last week, but my Emoji Pack just came in, so I figured why not? Let's open it on the channel. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alright, so the AirTag unboxing experience is pretty straightforward, but let's do it here together. So this is Emoji Pack. Apple does let you customize your AirTags with emojis, up to 4 emojis per AirTag. AirTag right in the front. Open them up. And like I said, voila, very simple, very straightforward. And the 4 emojis I went with, went for a unicorn, LOL, and then a name right here. This one's gonna be a gift. I actually have another one that's a gift that's for my mother. This one will probably go to my niece, and then I'll just throw these guys somewhere else. Like I said, I already have 4 floating around. There's one right here. I have my keys right here with the Baltic blue leather keyring. It's kind of nice. It holds up very well, so that's the leather. And I do have the so this is the leather loop, and then we just have the loop. I like the feel of the regular loop more, to be honest. It kind of feels smooth. It reminds me of the, actually it is, very similar to the case of the AirPods Max. So literally the very same material. You can tell I don't use this. I keep it in the drawer. Yeah, so let's get one of these set up. We'll go for the little alien guy. Okay, so you just gotta get your iPhone nearby. And after that, it's pretty straightforward. Peel, pluck, pull. And it makes that lovely little sound. I've done this like several times now. Bring it near your iPhone, and automatically it knows connect AirTag, and then it starts to request where you're going to place this thing. I already have one in backpack, I have one in my camera bag, luggage. I'm going to be traveling in a week or so, so let's say luggage. Continue. It has your user profile there for your iCloud account, and then it just starts setting up right away. Yay, that little ping tells you all good. You could go into the Find My app and start setting him up. AirTags, and you can see all your Apple devices. Don't judge all my Apple devices. I know there's a lot. But if you go to items, so next to devices, you'll find all your AirTag items. So as you can see, the ones that I have set up here, they're all with me right now, so that's fine. Also customized, so luggage, it automatically put a little luggage tag as the emoji for it. That's fine, I'll leave that. And if you click on your item, let's say gym bag, find, you could play a sound and it'll make a little chirp like we just heard. Okay, yeah, thanks. If you were to hit find, you need to be on iOS 14.5 to do any of this, and this little navigation, this little compass thing only works if you have the iPhone 11 or iPhone 12, because it does have that U1 chip support. So obviously it's here, those not so fun. So let's start off by talking about the design. It does have this plasticky feel for the price. I guess that's okay. It's only $29 for the one, and then $99 for a 4-pack. So this little white pebble here feels like a button. So it's like a plastic. Along the back, it is stainless steel. There's a lot of talk that they are easily scuffable. Again, I've had these on my case for about a week now, so you could probably tell the difference there on camera of how scuffed it gets after a week's worth of use, and very light use because I don't drive very much. To get to the battery, so the battery is good for up to 1 year. You just simply turn like a pill bottle, and then boop, open and it goes. Again, you can get these at any local convenience store, really, dollar store, anything like that. And then yeah, turn, pop it to close. Makes that fun little sound again, and you're connected. And again, you could throw these things anywhere. So the selection in the Apple Store is quite small. You do have the authentic Apple products, but third-party products are already popping up. So you have the Belkin case again. So this one is a gift from my mom. So these two will go together for Mother's Day. So I won't be opening that up. But so there are options that are literally half the price. They even have little screen protectors. There's some from D brand. You could place it along the back of your AirTag. So if you don't want to get it scuffed up, or if you want to add a little pop of color, so those are already available for you. And of course you have that Hermes line starting at $350. I'm so bummed that the orange one, the only orange one, costs $350. And I am a little crazy, but I don't think I am that crazy just yet. I am waiting for that orange iMac to arrive. So I can't justify indulging spending $350 on a Hermes loop. You do get an AirTag with your purchase, which is quite generous. But once you do have your AirTags all set up on your Find My app and you're running the right iOS system, you can simply ask Siri to help locate your items. So, hey Siri, where is my camera?
Looking for Jaime's camera. You'll need to continue on iPhone.
And then it'll ping it. So the HomePod picked up the Hey Siri alert, as you heard. And then you just have to take off from your iPhone. There will be no more HomePod updates or support. It was discontinued, but as you heard, the little chime, the little chirp starts to go right away, so you can detect your items right from your iPhone through that voice control voice command. But what I've been really excited to use this for mostly is finding my car. So I live in the city, so I don't have a parking spot. I park wherever I can or wherever I can manage to find a parking spot, and it's always different every single time. And sometimes I go days without even driving, so I literally forget where my car is. And sometimes I have that fear that, oops, my car was towed, my car might have been stolen. So I just have one of these AirTags just in the car, so I always know where I left my car. One of the features that I do hope arrive onto AirTags is compatibility with your Apple Watch. It'd be really nice if you could ping your items just like you would ping your phone if you do misplace it. Especially when I'm around the house, I don't really always carry my phone with me, and I always have my watch attached, so it'd be nice if you're able to just simply swipe up and just give it a little ping, and you're able, just like that, able to find whichever item you're looking for without always having to need your phone to do so. So what really sets these AirTags apart from the competitors or Tile or any other tracker is that they connect to the Find My network, and that Find My network is found on your iPhone, a Mac, or even your iPad. So if you do manage to lose your item, you're not in the vicinity of it, as long as your AirTag is next to someone or something on that system, so iPhone, which could be anywhere. So if you do forget your bag at an airport, there's going to be iPhones all around. So that's the magic of these AirTags. So it will always actually know where your item is as long as it's in contact with an iPhone. And if you do end up losing your item, your AirTag, you are able to put it into lost mode. So you'd go into the Find My app, claim the item as lost, and you're able to type in your phone number, and a message will pop up. If anyone does manage to find your item, they could just simply ping the little AirTag, and the message will pop up on the user's iPhone. If the person does not have an iPhone, it still works on Android too. So you just bring the AirTag behind your Android device, and it'll pop up a web browser displaying that same message. So of course, Apple believes in your privacy. No information is actually stored on the AirTag itself, and it's all encrypted and kept stored locally on your iPhone, so no one actually has access to any of that data. But after watching that keynote event, which was amazing by the way, after watching that keynote event, I started immediately wondering, what if someone like puts one of these under my car, like those movies? Well, of course, Apple thought of this first, and it has built-in unwanted detection. So if you do have an AirTag that is not registered to you or to someone around you, so if you are with a friend, you're not going to get the alert, but if the AirTag is found on your body and it's not yours, once you arrive home or wherever your home is on your contact information for yourself on your iPhone, then you will be notified that there is an unwanted device on you, so the AirTag. So you are alerted if someone does manage to slide one of these guys under your car or in your bag. So yeah, that's about it. I know that we all have different use cases for these things. For me, I'm really looking forward to and enjoying being able to locate my car. So now I have that peace of mind of I know where I parked and that the car was not stolen or towed, because that could happen as well. And a feature that I do look forward to is being able to ping these guys with the use of my Apple Watch instead. But what are you guys using for? Let me know in the comment section down below, because I'm very intrigued. I'm sure you guys are getting creative and placing these things all over the place. So please let me know in the comments, or if you have any questions on anything I didn't cover. They are pretty straightforward. You don't really notice that they're around really unless you actually do end up meeting them, and then you have that peace of mind that you are able to locate your item, which is probably why they kind of held back with releasing them. It's really not any groundbreaking technology, but very convenient, and it's great that it's in that Find My network again, because Apple iOS devices are absolutely everywhere, so that is super cool. And yeah, so this is a long-winded outro, so I'm just gonna end it there. I have not reminded you to like the video or subscribe, so here's that little disclaimer to please consider doing so. And until next time, guys, I'll see ya.